Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you where you can find the Fox Trough in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. Fox is one of the animals in Heartopia and you need to find the trough if you want to unlock the fox animal in Heartopia. And if you want to find the trough, the fox trough, you need to go to the flower field because it's near the flower field. If you want to go with bus, you can go to the flower field bus stop and then you're going to go to this area. And this is the Fox Trough. I've already added foods to this trough, but I haven't met the fox. Usually it's around here and you can interact with the fox after you fill the trough. And wait, again, I'm going to show you the location. Okay, it's here guys, near the what is this, the lake. Okay guys, and that's how you can find the Fox Trough in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching and bye.